was a lovely day on the Isle of Sodor. The air was crisp, and there wasn't a cloud in the sky.
Thomas, I've given you a much-needed tune-up, my friend,
Said Sir Topham Hatt.
Oh, boy, thanks!
Now, as soon as I put your brakes back in, you'll be as good as new.
Wait, why am I rolling? Am I moving or the tree's moving? What'd you say about my brakes? You took out my what? Holy cow, I can't stop!
Clearly, this is why I don't have real friends.
Look out, I have no brakes!
Screamed Thomas. And indeed, he did not.
All right, talk to me.
Well, it seems Thomas is out of control and we can't stop him.
Why can't I stop? This is Harold the helicopter. How can I help you?
Asked Harold.
Harold, this is Control. I need you to shoot at Thomas and derail him from the track.
Shoot at Thomas? Why, I couldn't. Thomas is my friend.
Well, your friend is about to crash headfirst into a nearby town. This is why I never work with talking machines. Well, it's like they say, never send a smiley helicopter to do an action star's work.
Nobody says that.
What's his cargo?
Pardon?
Thomas, his cargo. What's he carrying?
Oh, nothing too dangerous. Pillows, soft cheeses, a nuclear bomb.
A nuclear bomb?
And soft cheeses. Sheesh, were you even listening?
All right, come on. I've got a train to catch.
Oh, that's just terrible.
I like this scene, McQueen.
See, Mater? It's good to travel the world.
I'm sorry about that. I'm unstoppable. It's a medical condition.
I got a partner with him? I told you, I work alone.
I like you.
Look, nobody knows the rails better than Percy.
Fine. Just try to keep up, Junior.
You're a nice man. Somebody help me! Harold, what are you doing? I'm sorry, Thomas. I have propellers to feed.
What's that crazy chopper doing? Doesn't he know if he hits that bomb, we're doomed?
I like clouds.
Yeah, ain't that the truth? You know, you and I aren't so different after all. I see Thomas. Step on it. Thomas, we're coming!
Hurry! Oh, thank goodness! If you hadn't stopped me, I would have crushed the little town of Strawberry Shortcake! What the? Why am I? Oh.
And nobody regretted any of their choices. The end.